Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. Today, we're looking at the top 5 new pops so far this year. Stick around as they keep getting better. If you're a home pimple popper, make sure to check out my favorite Pimple Popper Toolkit. It's available on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description.
Snooki shares the secret to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thinergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.